Good morning, judges. Hello, I'm Lim Bao Ren. I'm actually from Team OMO. This is our prototype. We call it Learn with OMO. I'm from Team OMO. So, now I introduce our team member. So, I'm the team lead for the Team OMO. So, I'm a software engineer and a team lead for this project. And then we also have another teammate called Ying. So, he's a human resource and he's a business analyst for this project also. Next, we will have three parts for us to discuss with the prototype. The first one is the problem statement, next is the solution, and the next one is business. So first we go to problem statements, what we want to solve and any use cases. For our problem background, so actually we found that a lot of students they are lack of focus when they want to study. So we want to use the computer visions, what we call object detections, to help us to make the learning more interactive, visual, and game-like. So also studies have shown that students learn more when they have actively engaged in the learning process. So object detections can enable new forms of interactive learning, such as education apps that allows students to interact with real-world objects, or virtual learning environments where students can explore different topics in more immersive and interactive way. So we are focusing on SDG for quality educations. For the case study, we focus on two parts, where we found that some research found that got the 70% of teachers believe that integrating technology into the classroom have a positive impact for the student engagement and motivation. Also from the prominent board, they also has been mentioned that 82% of teachers they say that the students learn more when the lesson include interactive activities. Also, we do some research on what kind of interactive lessons that we want to focus on. We found that 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. So we think that object detection is the best way for interactive learning. Next is our impact. So actually we are focusing the impacts that for Learn with OMO when they introduce. There are three impacts that we focus on is the increased engagement, where students can get more motivated, personalized learning, where we can tailor to individual need and pace, and we also provide feedback whether the answer is correct or not. It will give immediately and we have a more efficient learning experience. So what's our solution? How our solution works. Actually, we focus on two things. One is object detection, next is the e-learning platform. So for the how we gonna to do this kind of quiz where we say object detection, this kind of stuff. Actually, we use one thing called teachable machine from Google. So we collect the data from Kaggle and then we train the model, we upload the model and we create the quiz in our Learn with OMO. So now I will demo our project to have a clearer image for the prototype. So hello judges. So welcome to our prototype. So our prototype actually we need to enter our student name, Muhammad Hafiz, and you will get into this dashboard. So you can start the quiz, or you can pick from here, start the quiz. So when you see this quiz, you can choose which animal have a sharp teeth and claw. You can pick tiger. So you get a correct page. Next, we'll go to which animal live in water. You can choose dolphin. Next, we can go to our home view. Okay, next we can go to ball where you can dig. And the last one is which animal can bark. We can choose dog. So this is how our prototype works for the quiz. And then we also have a page where we can contact our teacher for more information. And then after that we can log out. Come back to the main menu. That's all for our prototype. Now we pass back to the business case. Welcome back to our business insights. So our business insight will focus, the first one is business model. where we focus on three solutions here, our three business model. First, we will white label our solutions. Actually, we will provide white label solutions for education institution organization. For now, actually, we are discussing with MJ Classroom to create a e-learning platform for their tuition classes. Next, we plan to do a subscription tier for difference based on the feature, content access, and support level. So actually, we are learned from the Kahoot, which provide different tiers of subscriptions. Last but not least, our business model is partnership program. So actually, we want to explore partnership with corporations interested in the supporting educations. Our main target is maybe we will find government or we can find Minister of Education to help us to support. Next, our business competition analysis. Why choose LearnWithOwO? Actually, we have 6 reasons why. First is motivation and fun. Students can learn a lot of things in a fun way. Inclusive learning and enhanced retentions, where they have a lot diverse learning needs for students. It can connect abstract concepts to a real world, and it also prepares students for quick and accurate identifications. Multimodal learning where can cater students who may excel in non-traditional assessment, and it also helps the students to think critically and fosters their problem-solving skills. Next, we will talk about market analysis. Actually, we do 2 things for our market analysis. First, we interview with our stakeholder where we call active primary teacher. We go to primary school and then we have an interview with them, and we conclude that interactive learning methods are important for students who lack focus during studies. And also, teachers face a lot of issues when helping students on writing, especially in English, due to lack of face-to-face instruction during the COVID-19 pandemic. And next, we also find some research on the market. Is this education tech is very hot, or is just a very famous topic now? Yes, because it's expected to grow 344 billions by 2025, and digital instructions and assessments markets expect to reach 42 billion by 2025. So in conclusion, we think that creating computer vision learning platform is essential for education today, as it's both at a starting point for the industry and a need for the market. So we go to business sustainability, where we found that we need to focus on 2 things. One is the diversification of revenue streams. We provide certification program, analytic dashboard for schools. We include features that support multiple language and cultural. But the most important thing, where we cannot forget about our community building and user forums, where we need to maintaining our commitment to a user needs. So that's all for our presentation. The future of education is here, and it is OWO. Thank you very much.